Well, it's not just men who sometimes deal with hair loss when they get a little bit older. It can also be an issue for women, and one that can have a damaging psychological effect. But with new research, it shows some promising treatments.
Joining us this morning to discuss her new study is Dr. Glynis Ablon of the Ablon Skin Institute and Research Center. Good morning, doctor. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
So first off, can you just talk to us about some of the things that can cause hair loss in women?
So it's important to understand that there are many causes. There are scarring and non-scarring alopecia, but right now it's pretty much stress. That's a big part of why women are losing their hair, and men. And so we're trying to figure out what we can do for that. We have a lot of different options that I put out here for you to take a look at, but the idea is that the sooner we can treat stress and the sooner we can treat hair loss, the better off we are.
Tell us a little bit about this study, doctor. Why this supplement that you tested is showing some promise?
Yeah, so it's really exciting. So the supplement that we studied, I have a picture of it right here. And Nutrafol is a product that is a all-natural supplement. It's got all-natural ingredients in it. And basically, we studied it for women with menopause and transitioning through menopause. And these patients are doing amazing. The study was a full-year study, and these patients really noticed some great hair growth, less hair shedding. And so it's a nice option, an all-natural option for hair loss.
Well, that's pretty awesome there. And we understand there's also some other options. I think I see it there to fight hair loss, including, is it a high-tech cap?
Yes, this is actually a little cap that you can wear on your head, and it's 10 minutes a day, and it does stimulate hair growth and reduce hair shedding. So it's another great option in the treatment for hair loss and hair shedding. And we have also topicals available, plant-based topicals. We have other kinds of topicals that are liquid Propecia, liquid minoxidil. So nice options to give people that are dealing with hair loss. And the idea is that you really want to make sure that you get in as soon as possible. We've got PRP. The sooner you can treat hair loss, again, that's the most important thing, and determine what the cause is, what the etiology, and get on top of it. As I said, right now, stress is probably the biggest factor. People are at home, they're noticing that their hair is coming out in much more amounts in their shower, things like that. So the sooner we can address it, the better off we are. 70 million Americans are dealing with hair loss, and 20 million of those are women.
Dr. Ablon, we understand that you may have some before and after pics to see how some of these different treatments are working out. Can we talk a little bit about those to see those there?
Absolutely. Right there, as you can see, that these are women at day 0 all the way up to 180, and these are people that have been on the natural supplements. And again, these were women in our study. The 6-month data was just published, but we have now data out to the 1-year mark. And so these are patients that are literally just taking a natural supplement and nothing else. So you can see that they have hair growth, and the studies showed that, and we saw at least about a 15% increase in hair growth and new hair, and you can see again in those pictures the difference. So our patients are really excited that you have an option, something natural that you can use to stimulate hair growth and be able to take, and again, an all-natural product. It's a different one. This one was specifically the Women's Balance, which is for the menopause transition, but there are other forms as well that can be used for both men and women.
Just some great options there. Dr. Ablon, thank you again for joining us and sharing that with us.
Thank you for having me.
To learn a little bit more about Dr. Ablon and the Ablon Skin Institute and Research Center, you can visit their website. It's abloninstitute.com, and there's the number right there on your screen, 310-727-DERM.